Come install my brand new wig from MyFirstWig with me today. So MyFirstWig reached out to me and asked me to do a review on one of their wigs, and I was absolutely thrilled. So what I love about this brand is that they offer a beginner-friendly wigs, and I'll make sure to leave everything in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. So they come pre-everything. So they come pre-plucked, they come pre-cut, and you don't have to worry about anything. You could just wear the wig straight out of the box. So today I'm gonna show you what you will receive inside this box and how to install your brand new wig with glue or without glue. So keep on watching. So this is the wig straight out of the box, and the first thing I notice is how soft and lightweight it feels. The hair is 100% premium human hair, and this unit is 20 inches with 130% density, so it gives a very natural fullness. Now inside the box you'll find some wig prep goodies, which I always appreciate. You get a rat tail comb, a trowel, and a storage bag, which is actually my favorite one. You'll also get the order information and a wig cap. Here is all the wig information. Now let me show you the inside of the wig. This is a 10x6 glueless cap, so you get a lot of parting space, which really helps make the wig look more natural and realistic. Inside the cap there are combs on both sides and one comb in the back. And there is also an adjustable elastic band, which can be easily removed. One of the main features I really like is this C-shaped ear design, so that the cap sits comfortably around your ears and fits your head perfectly. And there is also a drawstring, so you can adjust the wig to fit your head perfectly, which is such a nice feature. Now I'm going to prep my natural hair so that everything underneath is nice and flat. I personally don't like to use a wig cap because sometimes the edge of the wig cap can be visible. So what I like to do instead is match my own parting with the wig's parting. So first I section off a tiny bit of hair around my ears, and you'll see in a minute how this helps blend the wig and make it look more natural. And please keep in mind that this step only works if your hair color matches the color of the wig. Then I tie my hair at the back and use bobby pins to pin the ends of my hair to lay flat against my head. And if you know how to braid, I definitely suggest braiding your hair, but I wanted to show you an easy method since not everyone can braid their own hair. Next, I apply a little bit of foundation along my parting to brighten it up. And what I like to do is match my own part with the wig's parting. Then I position the elastic band at the bottom of my head so the wig lays flat, and I also use the side combs to keep the sides from lifting. As you can see, the wig looks amazing even without using glue. Now I'm going to show you an optional extra step you can take for added security if you prefer to glue your wig down. And for melting the lace, what I like to use is my Got to Be Glued gel and hairspray and some foaming mousse. You can also use double-sided tape if you prefer. So the next step is crucial for me, and I'm going to clean my skin around my hairline to remove all the oils and makeup. I apply the spray and gel along my hairline and then blow dry it. Now I take the wig and line it up with my pre-made part, bringing it right up to where I left out my edges. And I place the elastic band, and while I wait for that to set in, I go ahead and straighten the wig. So this step is completely optional and you honestly don't even have to glue the wig down at all. I am absolutely in love with this wig. I love everything about it. It looks so natural. They did an amazing job with the coloring, especially the transition, and the density is just perfect. And honestly, this is one of the best pieces I have ever owned, and their pieces are so affordable. I don't have to do anything to the hair. The lace was pre-cut, the knots are bleached, and the hair already has layers, and the C-shaped ear tabs are such a great feature. So overall, there is no need for you to do anything to the hair. It is very beginner friendly, and you can literally wear this wig straight out of the box. This is exactly why I love MyFirstWig. They truly make beginner-friendly wigs that don't require stress, experience, or heavy customization. So if you're new to the wig world or you want something easy and natural, this is definitely a brand to check out. So the hairline looks so natural. This wig is so amazing, and honestly this is one of the best pieces that I have ever received. Thank you so much, MyFirstWig, for sending me this gorgeous wig. I love the style, I love the texture, I love how natural it feels. The density is 130%, which feels so light, and they've added layers to the hair, which makes it look so natural. You don't have to do anything to the hair. You can wear it straight out of the box. So my final thoughts on this wig is that the wig itself is amazing. It is truly a beginner piece, and if you're new to this world and if you're just starting out with wigs, I highly suggest that you go and check them out. I'll see you in my next video.